So we're here still at CES, and we're talking about a couple other really cool companies. One specifically we talked about several times, either here at CES or at San Diego Comic-Con, and that is Stern Pinball. Now, Stern Pinball is a great company. They produce such amazing cabinets, like the Spider-Man cabinet. You had the X-Men cabinet. You had the John Wick cabinet, Godzilla's Anniversary cabinet recently. And right now they're even releasing a remake of their Star Wars cabinet and the cabinet for The Walking Dead. Now, the reason why those remakes are so important and awesome has to do specifically with the brand new updated Spike3 system. The Spike3 system runs with a Raspberry Pi operating system, and it gives it more power and more capability. This is going to allow the device specifically to manage and power the 18.5-inch brand new screens, a really powerful speaker now with tweeters, lighting on the exterior. It's going to give it so much more control and power that you're able to do so much more with the cabinets as they are. Now, unfortunately, this isn't something that you're going to probably want to buy a kit for to replace, because it is all the internals of the cabinet. So any old cabinets are going to probably stay the way they are. But as they release newer remakes of older cabinets, you'll start to see them incorporating the new Spike3 system in them as well. And that way you can get some really great audio quality, video quality, and just effects for the cabinets. But all in all, Stern Pinball is still trying to keep themselves on the cutting edge of cabinetry when it comes to these games. And frankly, they're doing a great job. Hopefully we'll have more to report later this year at San Diego Comic-Con. We'll see them there as well, I'm sure. And we'll see you there also.